sound. I hope everyone's doing super dandy today, because for today's video, we are gonna be doing a thrift haul. And it's not just from like one thrift with me, it's from a lot of little thrift trips, because I tend to go to the thrift store a lot. I go there a lot. Let's jump into the first piece. So here is the first item of my, sorry, I touched your boob. This is the first item of the thrift haul today, and it is this really fun top. Like, when I saw this, I immediately just put it in my cart. I didn't have to look at the tags, didn't have to look at anything, just because I knew I loved it. And I just raced over to the mirror to try it on, because I was like, crossing my fingers it would fit. And look at this. I think it was like $10 or $11. I snatched it up so fast, because this honestly is the most fun top that I've ever thrifted in my life. It's also 100% silk, and it does not have a tag, so I don't know where it's originally from. I really don't know where it's from. Next one, let's go with the purse. Here it is. I ended up thrifting this little itty bitty Coach purse a few weeks ago from Value Village. It unfortunately was a little pricey. I want to say like $50 for this, but I think it was worth it, because look at this. I know it's small and not as practical, but it definitely could fit my phone and a wallet. So, you know, it's more practical than like those little baby, you know, those little tiny purses. You know what I'm talking about? That legit just fit coins. Next item, it's the Zara sweater vest that I have been on the hunt for so long, or even just trying to find a dupe at the thrift store. And I actually found the real deal on Facebook Marketplace. I'll try it on for you guys. So I ended up getting this back in August, so I did wear it a little bit this summer, but I'm definitely gonna be wearing it this fall, just because I feel like it'd be cute if I layered it with like a long sleeve underneath, or even just wear it like this with the jacket. But this is what it looks like. So next item, a little boring, but it's really exciting for me, because you cannot buy these in Canada. So I was really surprised that I found it at a Canadian thrift store. It's this cotton yarn, which some people are gonna be like, this Jenna, like this is so boring, but I found this sugar and cream cotton yarn, which so many people use for crochet bags, but we don't have them in Canada. I have to use like a different brand, and it's not as nice. Like, this one's super soft. So I was mind blown that I found 4 of them brand new at my local thrift store. That's all I had to say. Which one should I choose? Let's go with this one. I seen this one. I made a reel of me going thrifting for National Thrift Shop Day. National Thrift Shop Day, and this is one of the pieces I picked up. Like, look at this pattern. Oh yeah, it's a skirt, if you didn't notice. Yeah, it's a skirt, and I just can't believe I found a skirt with this pattern. I need to alter this to fit me, because I need to wear this. I need to wear this skirt. It's amazing. And I think I spent like I think like $10. Maybe I spent like $10 on it when I made that reel. I also got these pair of shorts. I think they're originally from Gap, and they're just like a longer denim short. Nothing too fancy about them, but I just didn't have like a darker denim short. Like, most of them are like lighter color like this, so picked this one up. $6, $7, something around there. It was pretty decent, and they're brand new and they're my size. So for this next one, I'm gonna change it up a little bit. It's gonna be another Facebook Marketplace find, and it's technically alive. Like, it's not a piece of clothing or shoes or anything. It's a live thing. So here we go. I found this cactus on Facebook Marketplace, and it has a lot of boobs. Look at all the boobs on it. Don't those look like boobs? Like, look at this. Ever since I learned about this cactus, I don't know, a while ago, I have been wanting a booby cactus, but they're more rare, I guess you can call, and they're hard to find, and they're not really available at like any local nurseries. So I have been waiting on Facebook Marketplace to find one, for someone to sell it, and for me to bring it home. It's just the coolest thing ever. Next item is, oh my gosh, this. I almost didn't get it. I almost didn't get it because I was unsure where I'd put it. It's a home decor piece, but I am just so glad I bought it. You'll know what when I show you. Look at this mirror I found. I found this mirror at the thrift store for $6.99. I'm speechless with this. I can't believe I found this cool of a mirror, and look how big this is. This is what it looks like up close. It's a little beat up in some corners, but honestly, it's okay. It's just the coolest thing in the world. It was $6. Like, I don't know, it's just amazing. So next item is kind of a spoiler because I thrifted them and then I already thrift flipped them, and it's for Sunday's video, so you're gonna see what I'm thrift flipping in Sunday's video. But I wanted to show you the boots because I just thrifted them this weekend. They're just so cool. Here they are. Before they were brown, here's the before picture, but I thrift flipped them so they'd be a lot more fun. And look at these boots now. That's my thrift flip for Sunday. I don't want to give away too much because I want to share with you guys the video, but I wanted to show you guys these boots because this is a recent thrifted find. But wait for Sunday's video. I'll show more about them later. So my next two items are not thrifted, but they're two items that I've recently crocheted, so I kind of wanted to show you guys. This is what I recently made while I watched TV every night. So it took me a couple days, but worth it. I really, really wanted a checker bag and I just made one. Next one is this little tiny tank I made. It's like a crisscross in the back here, and then obviously like this checkered in the front here. And it took me a little longer than I thought to make it. I was hoping I'd have it done at the beginning of summer, but then I forgot about it for a month and then finished it at the end of summer. But I posted some pictures on Instagram, so here's some pictures of me wearing it. And for my last item, I got a film camera finally, and I didn't thrift this. You're probably like, Jenna, how did you thrift this amazing film camera? And I didn't. My father-in-law actually just gave it to me yesterday because he has a whole bunch of film stuff that he used to use when he was younger. And I was like, I'm on the hunt for a film camera at the thrift store. I've been looking for a while, but they're so hard to find. And he's like, I have film cameras. And then I was like, what? You have film cameras? I had no idea that he was into photography. And then all of a sudden he brings out this and this full of film camera equipment. Like, he even has filters and stuff you put on, like all the fancy stuff people used to use in the day for all their photography. So I am so excited for this. I'm gonna go to the camera store today and get the batteries, get some film, get it all set up, make sure it's all working because it hasn't been used in a really long time. But after I figure it out, I'm gonna be taking lots of pictures with it. That's all I have to say. Unless you guys have tips for film photography, let me know down below in the comments because I know nothing about photography. Zip. So anything you can share with me, I will be very, very, very grateful. That's it. Now that's actually it. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.